How to activate your Fifth Third Bank credit card. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Fifth Third Bank credit card activation page at 53.com/activate. Next, log in by entering your user ID and password. Then enter the last 6 digits of your credit card number along with the expiration date and hit the submit button. After successful verification, your credit card will be activated and ready to use for purchases, online payments, and other transactions. If you face any issues during activation, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer support for assistance or visit your local branch. Always remember to keep your card details secure and log out of the website when you are finished for safety. And that's it. Now you know how to activate your Fifth Third Bank credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.